Bonjour, comment ça va? Buenas, Bugatti, hola, ¿qué tal? Konnichiwa, Tenki, Salamika, Kokunka. Hello, how are you doing? I hope I'm not so annoying with all my lockdown cooking videos. I hope you like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and push subscribe. First of all, welcome to my lockdown cooking channel. I'm Gaetan, and today I'm gonna make a roast beef with rosemary, potatoes, and a mustard cream sauce. Yum, yum, yum. I have some other dishes I'm gonna make. Somebody asked me to do a vegetarian dish. I'm also gonna make a dessert. Well, not a dessert, but I'm gonna make some cookies as well. Guys, if you have another idea, please tell me, shout it, comment it, whatever you want. Let me know, so maybe I can try to make your dish. For the moment, I have 128 subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you, merci, kopkunkap, shei, arigato, and a lot of other languages. Spasiba, for example. Gracias, grazie, grazie mille. I have viewers in Mexico, in the United States, of course in Belgium, also a bit in Netherlands and France. Let's spread it a little bit more. That would be awesome. So why not share it? Tell your friends about it or your family. I'm really gonna appreciate it. So thumbs up for you guys. Thank you very much. For the roast beef, I'm gonna use a picanha. Picanha has always a nice layer of fat on top, so you don't need it to wrap it in fat. And it's a really nice piece of meat. It's tender and has a lot of flavor, and that's very important. The picanha, I'm gonna seal it first in the pan, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. It depends how much time for each piece of meat. My piece of meat is around 700 grams, so it's gonna take about 20 minutes in the oven. First of all, take it out of the fridge at least 2 or 3 hours in advance, so you get a room temperature, and then it's nicer to put it in the pan and the oven, or else from cold meat to something very hot, your meat's gonna be very tough, and that's not so nice. No.
About this dream I knew, I wish this dream comes true. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Once the meat is sealed, I'm gonna use my pan to make the old-fashioned mustard cream sauce, so keep that. If you need other information, push just down below the description, all the recipes in there, what you need, how to prepare it. So I'm putting a lot of effort for you guys. The potatoes, we're gonna cut them in cubes of 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and then there he goes. Just put some salt, pepper on top, olive oil and rosemary, of course. Put it in the oven, 200 degrees, for about 30 minutes. And if you like garlic, put some garlic on it.
Why don't you play the game? I don't know what to do.
Et alors, le roast beef, avec ou sans patate?
Avec ou sans patate?
Sans patate!
Sans patate! Sans patate! Écoute les gants, t'as dit lockdown, hein? Et on vient de complètement fou pendant ce lockdown. Hein? I'm getting completely crazy in this lockdown. Hey, in 3 languages. Ça c'est ma français.
Allô? C'est impressionnant. Vous allez voir, c'est très impressionnant. Non, je suis complètement sérieuse là. Vous avez 1, 2.
So in Belgium, we are proud to know that Antwerp is a diamond city of the world. And what I didn't know, cricket, the famous sport in India or in England, was invented by Belgian immigrants in England. And apparently that's real from recent studies. And echt means really. That's Flemish. So that means time to stay hydrated. Cheers, guys.
Work it, make it, do
Ah yeah, and also, the only art which on the moon is from a Belgian guy. Crazy. Just a tiny little country, but we are famous for a couple of stuff. If you know other stuff that we invented or did something really nice, you always can comment me.
ever after work is over. Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, make us more than ever, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger. More than ever, hour after hour, work is never over.
Et comme je dis toujours, merci, au revoir et bonsoir. Un frais tendu, c'est Bruxelles.